Welcome to the River Boys YouTube channel.
What are we doing today, buddy?
Today we're kayaking at
Webster Lake.
Webster Lake.
Yep. Yeah, I wish we could have got that on video. That was a pretty big fish that jumped out of the water.
Yeah. Down there, by that edge right there.
You gotta go all the way around.
What?
Bumper! You're not paddling around much. What do you think, buddy? Where should we kayak to?
Whoa.
There was another fish.
Oh, big one.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent sized fish out here. Should have brought the fishing poles.
But Mom didn't let us.
We were in a hurry to get out here, buddy. I guess Bregan didn't want to come out this far. A lot of sticks out here. Bregan! Hey, what are you doing? That's not true. You're kayaking. Who showed up? Princess Peach is here to kayak. Why don't you want to kayak, Peach?
Just don't litter. You're putting sunflower seeds.
Yeah, you're spitting sunflower seeds in the water, litterer. You're glitterly putting sunflower seeds in the water, Princess Peach. That's not very nice. Where'd you learn that?
I wonder.
Yeah.
I fucking wonder.
Really?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna cuss in our videos? Okay, buddy. I'm up here if you need something. I don't think that's a good idea, buddy. She's got to try to get up front and open that thing up. That's probably not a good idea. Trying to get sunflower seeds now.
What?
Just seeing what you're doing. Since you made me stuck up here on the dock and gave my kayak away. You want me to kayak with you again?
What?
You want me to go kayaking with you again?
No.
Oh, you don't like me anymore?
I do.
Are you done?
No.
You just want to kayak?
Yeah.
All right.
I was complaining all day and yesterday to do it.
Yeah, you better take advantage of it while you're here.
Yeah.
Okay. I gotta go see what Roger wants. Like a sandhill crane. Let's see how close we can get to it. There it goes. Got about within 50 feet of it. Should have went with me. That was a big sandhill crane down there. I've never gotten so close to one before. I was probably within less than 50 feet of it. That's a pretty big bird.
What are all these fuzzy things that float in the water?
I don't know, bubbles maybe?
No, but it's like you can grab them.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe some kind of moss, maybe?
Right there, white.
Yeah. Oh, that's just those little white fuzzies.
Yeah.
That's just cotton from the cottonwood trees.
Oh. So they just float down?
Yeah. Just blows around the wind.
I got my shoes with my shoes. I took my shoes off.
Yeah, I don't have any shoes on either.
Honestly, I'd rather have my shoes off doing it than having my shoes on.
Let's go kayak down there or something then.
That island right there.
You wanna go to the island?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go see what's over there. Yeah. It's a lot of work kayaking. We're almost there though. Yeah. Look at all the turds. Yeah. That's probably all we're gonna find is turds on this island. Yeah. Alright. What do you want to do now? You want to go back or keep going?
I want to go back.
Alright. Let's go back then.
I was stuck on a stick.
Yeah, I'm stuck in the bottom. I'll have to get turned around. Or you could just pull me.
Yeah, I mean.
Just pull harder. I'll get it, buddy. Okay, let's head back. A big bird just landed on the beach over there. Let's see if we can get close to it, okay? Okay.
Oh, there's someone with the tube.
Oh well, let's go see what the bird is. Didn't get very close to that one.
Yeah. That one's going all the way down there.
There again. Let's make our way through these.
Oh,
Yep. Let's make our way through these trees and see if we can get closer.
shallow.
Yeah, it's really shallow through here. I thought it was going to be deeper.
Yeah, no, it's very shallow.
Well, probably within 100 feet of that bird. There it went. I got within about 50 feet of that one too, probably. Glad to be out of that shallow stuff, buddy.
Yeah. You would have gotten stuck.
Yeah, it wasn't very deep. Ducks just landed over there. I think they're geese. A whole bunch of them. Able to get pretty close to them. Yeah, there's quite a few. Just if you needed some help. What do you need? All right, I'm coming. Just use your paddle to push off. You can use it to push off bottom.
What?
I said you can use your paddle to push off the bottom. Just dip it down into the sand and push away.
I was trying to do that, but there's too
Okay. Right there on the tree. Yep, just floated away.